Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams in Korea. Korean students are globally recognized for their incredible dedication and rigorous study habits. The education system places a strong emphasis on discipline, long study hours, and achieving high academic performance. To succeed, students often follow highly structured schedules, dedicating many hours each day to their studies. Understanding this cultural context is key to adopting effective study strategies. Korean students frequently employ traditional methods like repetition and memorization, especially for subjects such as mathematics and foreign languages. Active learning is also crucial, involving summarizing material, quizzing oneself, and even teaching concepts to others to deepen understanding. Many students effectively use flashcards for vocabulary and mind mapping to visualize relationships between subjects, reinforcing their recall abilities for exams. Effective time management is vital for Korean students who often juggle demanding academic schedules. They create structured study plans, dedicating specific time slots for each subject and prioritizing tasks to prevent last-minute cramming. Many also utilize online learning platforms, educational applications, and private academies, known as hagwons, to supplement their regular schooling. These resources provide additional instruction and practice, helping students stay ahead. While intense study is common, maintaining well-being is equally important. Students strive for 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly to combat fatigue. Incorporating short, regular breaks, such as the 25-minute focused work sessions, followed by 5-minute breaks of the Pomodoro technique, helps maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Seeking social support and engaging in physical activities are also crucial adaptive strategies for managing academic pressure effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.